Hey guys, today we're in a 2024 Mark 8 GTI, and I have my dad here with me because he owns this vehicle. So let's take it out. So in this Mark 8 GTI, this came with pretty much complete base options that you could possibly pick. The only option this thing came with is a little garage opener. I just turned the lights on. But that is the only thing this one came with. It has base tires, base literally everything. And surprisingly, this thing came with a lot for being a base model. Comes with heating steering wheel. It comes with heated seats. Has lane spot monitoring, has lane keep assist, has a bunch of goodies that you would want or maybe wouldn't want while you're driving. This car actually does have pumped in exhaust sound, and I actually don't mind it. I think without it, it wouldn't sound like really anything. Where is this guy going? Oh. This car is really fun. Actually, I felt that pull me back in my seat. That was pretty good. Let's put it in second gear. Around 30 and then punch it. That feels really good. This thing's actually really surprising. It pulls a decent amount. I felt that pulling all the way through third. That's really fun. So we'll actually turn left here. And I love using these paddles. These paddles are super, super responsive when you're on the throttle. When you're off the throttle, the upshift is also kind of slow, but that doesn't matter. This car from the inside actually does sound pretty good. From the outside, it just sounds like a big toot, but I don't really care what it sounds like from the outside because I'm not the one outside of it. So we'll get right here and let's just punch it. Feels decent. So since this is a DCT, it doesn't have engine braking, right?
No.
Yeah.
The fourth. The fourth gear.
Third, probably. I don't know. Little partial throttle. Little half throttle third gear. Not too crazy. Slam? I didn't slam. That was smooth. We're at 35. But overall, this is a really, really fun car. When you put this car in second gear and just floor it, it is surprisingly really, really fun. Anybody who hasn't been in or driven one of these and just talks down on it, they are simply just wrong, or they are an absolute freak. My dad he's used to driving really fast cars like GT500s, Hellcats, Tesla Plaids, and he still finds a way to enjoy this thing. So that says something about it. Obviously, I enjoy it. This thing is really so nimble. I really like it. Compared to my Mustang, which feels it feels a lot bigger, and taking turns on it, you can tell that it's a much wider and bigger car. And there's something really, really fun about a smaller car. The way it feels just driving it down the road, driving it around a turn, going fast in it. I don't know what this guy's doing up here. Okay. Yeah, people like to turn left here. Yeah, but this car is ignore that voice crack, but this car really, it does pull surprisingly well. Second gear is my favorite. Put this car at second gear around 30 miles an hour, somewhere between 25 and 35, and this thing just rips. I say rips, as 240 horsepower, but 240 horsepower to the wheels, at least, not brake horsepower, so there is something to say about that. And this car does have 225s, so really, really tiny tires, but you don't really notice it. It's not that big of a deal. You would only notice it if you're really driving it super hard in a track or something crazy like that, which most people that buy these cars are not gonna do. I'm not saying no one, but definitely most. And there we are. That is my review on our 2024 Volkswagen GTI. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys next time.